All right. Welcome back. It is Monday, July 10th, 2023, and extreme flooding overwhelms the New York roadways and kills one person. Okay? And we're in the month of July, okay? It's still zodiac cancer season, okay? A water sign. And what about the Titan submersible story synced up with the Titanic, right? It's about water right now, okay? So the one person drowned equals 83 in gematria, like morgue, and this is synced up with the New York State Police, okay? All 83. They're the ones that issue the statement, okay? And, they're the authority, okay? But don't forget murder by numbers, okay? By the police, all right? Okay? This is Freemasonry backing all of this. So, this occurs July 9th, okay? You see the article, okay? 7/9 or the ninth day of the seventh month. Written either way, right? New York State Police 97. Look at how they emphasize there's a major flash flood. 79, like the date, 7/9. Okay? Yesterday, the flooding. And right in the title, you know, we're talking about New York roadways, right? Well, roadway matches New York. You see the 33 and the 39. It's the two reduction ciphers that we utilize, okay? 39 and 33. As the storm moved east, the National Weather Service extended flash flood warnings into Connecticut, including the cities of Stamford, Greenwich, before creeping into Massachusetts, okay? Look how Stamford and Massachusetts, you get two more 33s, all right? So, Roadway, New York, 33, Stamford, Massachusetts, 33. And this is all synced up with Governor Kathy Hochul, all right? It's no coincidence. Look at in gematria with roadway. Look, 102 and 87. And we get the four basic ciphers utilized. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Okay, all actors. Okay, following a script. It's her script. These are just the background characters. Like in a movie, right? You'll see the credits at the end. Okay. Oh, they're messing with the pics. You'll see the credits at the end where it's like customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4. You know what I mean? That's what it is here. Just background actors. Okay. This is the main character. It's all synced around the ritual. Kathy Hochul, okay? And Excuse me. Let me go back. It's unfortunate because people do suffer because of these staged events and disasters. I'm not gonna sit and try to tell you that I know the weather is being manipulated, but you can do your own research on that, okay? Again, everything is scripted to a T, all right? More than you think. So, this is the body of the woman, okay? It says she was in her 30s and she drowned. You know, we synced that up, right? And look, it says she was swept away while trying to evacuate her home. Orange County executive Stephen Newhouse told WABC TV, okay? Orange County and Hudson Valley both equal 58, like Governor Kathy Hochul. And that's how they abbreviate it with the GOV, right? And she's born in 1958, y'all. You see? Scripted by numbers. Synced up with the governor of New York. Okay? These are political rituals. You have to look at the people in power, you know, when you read these stories, or if it's a celebrity story, who are they connected to? And look, she's the governor, right? Born in 58 when Orange County, Hudson Valley, Governor Kathy Hochul, abbreviated 58. Okay? So, look, more 58s. You get the 158 in Orange County, Hudson Valley, okay? And you see the 166. Now, secret society equals 166 in gematria, okay? This is the most pure cipher right here. Okay, you see the chart. Hudson Valley equals 50. All right. Look at the span from the flooding 7/9 to Kathy Hochul's birthday, 50 days. You see? State Route 9W was flooded at the Palisades Interstate Parkway. Right in the article, 50 in reduction. See? You see how it's the same cipher? And Orange County here, 59. Again, that reduction cipher, you see? Look at the date numerology. 7, 9, 20, 23. Again, that's yesterday. You know, they said Sunday, the flooding, 59. Add it up. No matter how you run it here, okay? I mean, you can script probably how the flood starts. Okay, we already went over that. I mean, but look at the gematria. Like, it's just too perfect, okay? People people get hurt, people die. You know, in the story here, they say fortunately, you know, I mean, it's unfortunate, but only one person dies. But you see the ritual, okay? New York Governor abbreviated Kathy Hochul 107. Okay? West Point, home to the U.S. military academy, was severely flooded. Officials worried some historic buildings might have water damage. 107, U.S. military academy. Okay? Synced up with New York Governor Kathy Hochul. Abbreviated. Look, that's how they write it in the article, y'all. I mean, that's common, too. People know that. And look at today's date. 10/7. The 10th day of the 7th month. Like 107. I mean, do I get an A, y'all? For effort, anyways? I'm not done, okay? I'm showing you how it's all synced. They tried to mess with the video earlier. I don't know if it showed on your end, but look, flooding and road closure on US 202. Okay? Right there. All right? New York, when abbreviated again, Governor Kathy Hochul equals 202. And you know Skull and Bones equals 202, the year of Skull and Bones. Okay, we know the connection with Skull and Bones and New York and what happened on 9/11 and who was the president at the time. Okay, who self-admitted is a member of Skull and Bones, right? George Bush Jr., right? Is it HW? I believe the son's HW. Where's the gematria police? Okay? I'm not going to sit around here and worry about making a mistake. I know this work it's important that we're accurate. You see that I get the job done, right? I'm not going to sit here and worry about little errors. You see the work. Okay? Ontario County. Look, she later extended the state of emergency to Ontario County in western New York, southeast of Rochester. Ontario County equals 190 in the ABC 123 cipher. Okay? Like the flooding was on the 190th day of the year. You saw it in the article 7/9 Sunday. I mean, what's really going on, y'all? And everything here synced up with the governor, Kathy Hochul. Okay? Ontario County, even. You know, they said extreme flooding, 71. Okay? That 50-day span earlier from the flooding to Hochul's birthday, the 50 days, it's the same as 7 weeks, 1 days on the span, okay? I mean, this is complete bullshit. All right? Here they go with the pics again. Here they go. Look. Oh, man. I better wrap this up. You see the actors. They're trying to take it down right now as we speak. Okay? Orange County, about 60 miles. This ain't even uploaded. And something's going on here. Again, this is Google. Okay? Hi, Google. Orange County, about 60 miles north of New York City. I'm here to expose this, y'all. I do what I want here. Orange County, about 60 miles north of New York City. New York City equals 60. Look at the chart. A is 1, Z is 26, but when you get to J and you start getting the double digits, add the two together, reduce it all to single digits. New York City, 60, like Orange County, about 60 miles north of New York City. Right? And this is that same date, okay? July 9th, 7/9, leaves 175 days in the year. Okay? Orange County Executive Stephen Newhouse, 175. You just saw the dirtbag in on the ritual, right? You know? Where's he at? I'm calling him a dirtbag because he's in one of these positions, okay? He knows what's up with the rituals and he knows people are affected by it. He doesn't want to speak up, you know? And this puppet here, right? Just going along with it, okay? They get to live their lives stress free, anxiety free, and look what they want to do to us, okay? They want us under constant stress, constant fear, constant anxiety, okay? I'm going to keep it up if you want to mess with the video too and the pics. All right? Look at this witch right here. Governor Kathy Hochul. This is New York. I'm in AZ, Arizona. Talk about two different worlds, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this decode. All right, we made it through, okay? July 10th, Monday, 2023. Extreme flooding overwhelms New York roadways and kills one person, synced up with the governor, Kathy Hochul. All right, until next time, y'all.